Now, again, this might seem like common sense, but go somewhere where it's worthy of filming. If you're going to take cool photos, cool videos, don't just go out in the park and shoot just the basic shots of a big park. It's not that exciting. Try to seek out places that have a unique look and that can get you better looking shots. One thing that I've seen, over and over is just a boring drone footage. If you're gonna make photos and videos that people are going to watch, take some photos that people are actually interested in seeing, and you have to find those locations. Now, you need to find something that's unique and you need to find something that's different. Take photos that people are interested in seeing, and just look around in your area. Where can you actually go? This is also a very nice way to explore around the area you live, or just very soon to go even further than that. You need to see how the landscape changes and how the shadows will play with different objects that you're photographing or taking videos of. And that's a lot of interesting stuff all around us. We just really need to pay attention and see what actually, what those are. Just because you're in a place and that you don't have access to huge mountains or beaches, that doesn't mean you don't have cool things to photograph. Have a drone in the sky gives you a lot of opportunity to see to see things from a different perspective, and there is a lot of interesting things when you look at it from a camera that's up in the sky. And this is actually something that you can literally take with you. A drone nowadays is just so small and easy to carry. Even if you're traveling by via plane in a different part of your area, it does fit in a bag, especially the smaller they get. So take this time to go somewhere to find something nice and to explore wherever you are. Having a drone flying is always a nice thing. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. Until the next one. Cheers. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Do like, do subscribe, and we're going to be talking in the next one. Bye bye.